Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a broadcast channel on Instagram. So first of all, you will open up the Instagram application on your Android and iOS, and after opening up the Instagram application, what you're gonna have to do, you will tap on the messages icon at the top right here. Okay, and this will basically opens up your messages on Instagram. Okay, so we just wait here until it loads up, and what you're gonna have to do here, then you will just tap on the paper and pencil icon at the top right here, like this one. And when you basically tap on the paper and pencil icon here you will see basically an option to make a broadcast channel. Okay, I'm not sure that why this option is not present here. Maybe it's not available in my country at this time, but you can just come to this option here, to this place here, and you will check that under this search option here you will see the option to basically make a broadcast channel, and then you will just tap on it and enter the name of your channel, invite some of your friends or followers, and then the channel will be created. So that's how to make a broadcast channel on Instagram. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.